How to save translated text on Google Translate. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can save translated text on Google Translate, and it's very simple. The first step is to ensure that you've installed the application on your device, then launch the application. So after launching the application, you can see that you'll be brought to the applications page. And then to find your saved translation, just move to the top left corner and then you click on the star icon and then you'll see your saved translation here. But then how do you save your translated text? It's very simple. Just click on enter text, or if you have the text copied already, you can just paste it, whichever one, and then go ahead and type out the text that you would like to change. All right, and then once you're done doing that, um just move to the top right side of the screen where you can see three icons. You can see the plus icon, you can see the time icon, and then you can see three vertical dots. So just click on those dots and then you can see the option add to Facebook. Add to Facebook, click on it, and then just like that, the translation will be saved. So to check it out, go back to the main page, click on the star icon again by the top left corner, and then you'll see your saved translation here. So this is how you can save translated text on Google Translate. Thanks for watching and have a good day.